Well, this old Texas weather, you never know what it's going to do, so I thought I'd get out and put my truck in four-wheel drive and ride around and see what everything looks like. Switch the camera around. I've got a limb that's kind of hanging low over my driveway. I think I can back right through there and get out. But hey, let's go check out and see what's going on. I don't even see any tracks on the road. Don't look like anybody's even been down my street this morning. It's kind of hard to believe, or either it's sleeted enough it covered them up. It's definitely a little bit slick, not too bad, but I'm in four-wheel drive. I don't see any. I see these ice on the trees. That's not good. Hopefully it don't rain no more and get any more ice on these trees, because if it does, we're going to start having a mess. Well, it's definitely sleeting. I've got my windshield wipers on. Not real hard, but it's enough. I haven't seen any actually limbs down yet, though. I see a lot of cars. You see they cover. I guess it's more sleet, maybe a little snow mixed in. Oh, it looks like the little restaurant's got a lot of people at it. They'll be up here drinking coffee and having breakfast. Look at all the pickups. Snow plow in front of a truck pickup. City, I really don't ever see them here. Like this intersection is kind of a mess. I'm sure it's slick, or it will be when it freezes back over. Now, there's not a lot out here on the loop. Apparently they've run that little snow plow over and did something, but it's got some on it, but it's not too bad. I'm going to exit off here and see what it looks like down the exit ramp. I better slow down, don't get too fast. Let's exit here and go off the beaten path a little bit. Trees here. I don't see no limbs now, so don't be too bad. I see some highline wires are sagging. See them, they're sagging, but they're not breaking, or at least they're not yet. That won't be good if they do. They're definitely sagging. Hell, I'm heading right up back towards the loop. There's Tractor Supply. I'm surprised there's not more people there. Get up on the loop, it's not bad. It's pretty clear, but you get off the beaten path, it's definitely a lot slicker. Well, it's definitely starting to sleet harder. I've had to turn my windshield wipers up a little bit to keep it clear. Let's exit off here and we'll go up Main Street and see what it looks like. Alright, I'm headed up Main Street. I'm out here at Taco Casa and Whataburger, Popeyes, Catfish King. Go by the bowling alley. I see some flashing lights up there. I'm not sure what it is. check it out when we get up there. Hopefully it's nothing bad. It's like a fire truck. I'm not sure. Not sure where he's going. Vehicles over at the Chevrolet house are all covered in ice. Well, I'm here behind the courthouse. We're gonna go around the square, see what it looks like up there. I don't use my four-wheel drive very often, but you know, it's kind of nice to have it today. You can ride around with no trouble. It's like them highline wires are starting to kind of hang low. Hopefully they don't break. I'm trying to find the right speed for my windshield wipers. Seems like I got two speeds, too fast or too slow. Like right now it's too slow. I go up one, it's too fast. You know, here's the fountain downtown. I don't see no tree limbs down or anything. All right, I'm on the south side of the square. Looks like some people out there making snowmen. There's the kids' splash pad over there. I don't believe nobody can be splashing around today. The big Methodist church. Well, there's a limb down right there in the Brookshire's parking lot. Slick right through here. I don't know if it's kind of, I don't know, maybe it's melted and refroze. It's kind of deep and kind of thick. Now I see some traffic. Look like it's starting to kind of, well, now I'll turn them windshield wipers down, then it gets on the window, but I turn it back up and it's too much. I don't know. Try not to hear all that sound. Yeah, that looks like a power line down right there. Yeah, I can see it right there. There's a power line down. I haven't seen much. I mean, it's not very bad. I mean, it could get bad. I mean, if it rains, you know, and freezes on these trees, it's going to get bad. But right now, I haven't seen anything that looks too out of the ordinary for Texas. You know, we're used to this. We just hope we don't get the bad ones. And about every 10 years or so, you get a bad one where you got to go in and trim all your trees. But so far so good. But it could get bad before it's over. Hopefully not. We've got some kids right here doing a little snowball fighting. Looks a lot of some of this is wet. That's the only thing that scares you. If it gets up and it kind of thaws out for a little while, then it freezes back, then it's going to be solid ice. That's what's bad. Right now it's not bad, but it could get bad. Well, I usually turn right here on Collegiate, but I'm going to go on up. residential area and see if I see anything looks any different. Get off that beaten path, it's definitely tell a difference. Alright, getting off the main drag. Yeah, you can tell. I mean, it's a lot of sleet and ice out here when you get off the main roads. You still really don't see any trees down or limbs down to speak of. Definitely see the highline wires hanging low, but nothing too bad right now. Hold this camera and drive. I could have put it in a deal and put it on the window, but I never know where I want to turn it, so I'm holding it. Hopefully it's not too shaky. Back home. I think I'll drive down the front of my house, see if there's any limbs down any of the houses. See definitely ice on the limbs, and they're sagging, but it's not like I have seen it where they just folded up like umbrellas. That may be one in the road up here. I can't really tell. Yeah, it's like a limb in the road right here. It's a small one though. It won't be no big deal. Heading back to my house. There's not a track in the snow one. I can't believe nobody's been out except me. Like I say, I've sure got a limb hanging low in my driveway, but anyway, I can get under it. Well, that's pretty much what it looks like between 10:30 and 11 a.m. So it's not too bad right now, but I can see that it could get worse. So hopefully it won't. Check you later.